Okay, take down the question. As I told, pay attention to each and every word of the question and draw the diagram based on that, because we can solve the question only if the diagram is correct.
Ma'am, Anushka asked if you'll record the class.
Yeah, I'm recording. Read the question, how the angle of elevation is changing, and be very clear when you draw the diagram where the angles will come and how it will be placed. And in some questions in the bracket, they will give you the value of root 3 and all. That means you are supposed to substitute the value and then find the final answer. Please try to do it fast.
Mom, is that 10 meters or 16 meters?
10 increases by 10 meters.
Mom, what is after height of the tower?
Correct to one decimal place.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, are you able to do this? The shadow of a vertical tower. Did you draw the diagram? Come on, yeah, somebody tell. Did you draw the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let me just discuss. I'll also draw it and then let us see if you are drawing the same. Okay, the shadow of a vertical tower. So first we have to make a tower. Which is our tower? Let this be the tower. I am naming it AB. So what happened? On the shadow of a vertical tower on the level grass increases by 10 meter. So when you stand, if you are this, how does your shadow look? This is your shadow, right? So in this case also, this is the shadow of the tower. It increases by 10 meter. Okay, it is still here. I say C, and then it again increases by 10 meter. It becomes D. Okay, when the sun's altitude changes from angle of elevation, that means sun's rays are falling like this, isn't it? So this is the first angle 45. So when the altitude changes, the shadow is increased by 10 meter. It changes to 30 degree. So this is 10 meter, which is the increase. You do not know what was the earlier length. It is x. Is it clear? Did you all draw like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Guys,
Yes, mom.
who is unable to draw, please get it clear, because in this chapter, diagram is most important. If it goes wrong, it's very difficult to solve the question. Your 1 mark you will lose in this. Okay, now this part is done. I told you to explain the diagram first. You have to describe the diagram first. So you will say, let AB be the tower, right? This is the tower. Then what is the shadow? BC and BD be the shadow, correct? This is the shadow. Then what? That's it. That is what I am describing it to be. This is BC, which is the shadow earlier when the altitude was 45 degree, and then it increased by 10 and it became 30. So you have made your diagram, you have expressed it. Now kids who know it, this is 45. I have to find the length of the perpendicular. Is that correct? I have to find the length of the perpendicular. So, what formula can I use? Which is
Tan
trigonometric
tan
ratio?
45.
Tan 40.
Tan
Tan 45 is equal to AB by BC. How much is tan 45? 1. Therefore, you will get BC is equal to AB. That means our AB is also how much? X. So that we have done. Now we have 30. Again, I will go for AB only. Right? So which one can I use? Again, I will go for tan 30. Tan 30 equal to, what is tan 30 equal to? AB by BD.
CD. BD.
BD. Never, Asha,
B.
okay, okay. Kids never take only this part. Remember, for trigonometry, you always need a perpendicular, and this whole, you need a right angle triangle, right? So you cannot consider only this part. No, this is wrong. You cannot consider it like this. This is your perpendicular. So your triangle is always from here. This side is included. So sine 30 equal to AB by BD. What is sine 30? 1 by root 3. AB is how much? X, and BD is x plus 10. So what can you say?
Cross multiplication.
1 by 3 x plus 10. Okay. X plus 10 equal to root 3x. So 10 is equal to root 3x minus x. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 10 is equal to x is common. Root 3 minus 1. Okay. Now I will isolate x here. 10 divided by root 3 minus 1. What will I do? I will rationalize. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So that,
Ma'am, they already gave root 3 is 1.73, so can't we just
yeah, they
subtract that
gave,
from
but it's better to do like this. So 3 minus 1 is 2. So this will 10 root 3 plus 1. 10 into 1.73 plus 1 by 2, which will make it, which will make it
5 into 1.73 plus 1.
hey, you can never cut. You can never cut, ma. There is a plus sign. It's an
Sorry, ma'am.
expression. You
Sorry.
can never
Ma'am,
cut. Hmm?
17.3 plus 1 by 2
17.3 plus 1 by
plus
2,
1 by 2.
which is 18
ma'am, won't it be 10 root 3 plus 10?
plus 10. Oh, it
Because
is,
So ma'am, won't it be plus 10?
it is 10 into bracket. It is bracket. Sorry, did not see. How much is it? 27.3. So it should be 1 3.1 goes there, 6 5. That is the final answer. 13.65. So please see this. What happened? Tan 45. That was easy. We reached till here. After that we substituted tan 30, and because of root 3 we had to do all this rationalization and all of these things. Please do it quickly so that if you have any doubt, let me know. Speed up, speed up. Are you done? Can I go to the next?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mom.
Chalo, let us do the next question. Did everybody understand? Who have not watched videos, kids, did you follow?
No, ma'am.
You did not understand. Will I start it now? See, basically, the object will be on the ground level most of the times. It depends upon the question which is given to you. So now, if the object can be a tower, it can be a person, it can be a tree or anything. Now, yeah, without watching the first part, now it will be difficult for you, because for me also to explain the whole thing, it will take lot of time. Now it's like somebody is standing here and looking on top of this tower. This is the top portion. So if you are looking, this becomes the line of sight. This is your line of sight when you are looking. So earlier the vision is straight, parallel, right? This part. Then you lift up your eyelid and it makes an angle here. This is your angle of elevation. This is called as angle of elevation. And similarly, if this is a tower and you are watching from the top to the bottom, top again it's a straight line, then it makes an angle when you are looking something at the ground. So if this is the road which you are watching from the window, so this angle of this becomes angle of depression. So the whole thing is based on the concept of elevation and depression only. So most of the times whenever you are doing it, it will be perpendicular on the ground. So ground becomes the adjacent side and perpendicular becomes the opposite side, because this is the angle or your theta, and this becomes your hypotenuse. So based on that, using the trigonometric ratio, whichever sides you have to find, you can decide you have to use sine, cos or tan, and then you will be doing it step by step. Okay, so do one thing, attend the session, see how much you are following, then you attend the first video again, so you will get more idea.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the next question from the, yeah, I think I will do this, kids, because we did only elevation. We have to do depression. So please write down the question. After that, I will explain how to draw the diagram. Kids, once you have written the question, let me know. I will help with the diagram. Done? Written from the top of a hill. So this is my hill, A and B. The angle of depression. So what did I say? If earlier it will be a line parallel to the ground. So this is the ground next to the hill. This line is parallel. You are looking straight. The angle of depression means up to bottom of two consecutive kilometer stones. Kilometer stone means this is for 1 kilometer, this is for 2 kilometer, consecutive, one after the other. Consecutive stones due east are found to be 30 and 45. So how much will be the first angle? Tell me how much will be the first angle?
Ma'am, 30.
Okay. You are saying 30. The which angle will be bigger? The one near to or the last farther one? Which angle will be big?
The 1 year.
Near.
Closer one, right? So this is 45 and this is 30. Okay. Now what? They are consecutive. Consecutive means if this is x, the distance between these two will be how much? How much will be the distance between C and D?
1.
1. Because they are kilometer stones, isn't it? And they are consecutive. So if this is 10 kilometer, this should be 10 plus 1, 11, like that. Okay. So the distance between DC is 1. Now that is done. They are asking you to find height. So again you will describe, let AB be the height and C and D are the consecutive meter stones, and you will do this. So can you please try to solve it quickly? Sometimes they ask you to draw, when you're drawing, no? I will draw. If I draw, this
Ma'am,
is 45, 1 minute, this is 45. So these two lines are parallel. If you observe, this is parallel, right? So this is the transversal. Look at it carefully. If this angle is 45, these two are alternate angles. That is why we draw it on the bottom, so that it's easy for you to take the height and all those things. Similarly, this angle is 30 degree. First he looked 45, then he looked 30. So this one is 30 degree, alternate angle. This is how you are supposed to draw the diagram.
Ma'am, why does it say due east in the question?
Towards the east side.
Ma'am, so if I is it will anything change if I draw like another side or like what?
No, that's okay. For you, it's your east. That's not a problem.
Okay, ma'am.
You can either make 30 first and then 45. That is up to you. Okay, because for when you are closing your eyelid, first you will see maybe this one, this kilometer stone, then you close it further more and you will see 45 degree. You can do like this also. Kids who have not seen the first one, please see that. Okay, otherwise it will be difficult to understand.
So, ma'am, which angle do we take? Do we take the angle that's
Ayo,
created
I
by that?
can't hear. 1 minute. What happened? Why is it so slow? Yeah, say something. Angle. Hmm. They asked for the height of the hill. Tane, any doubt? So see if you are able to do this, kids. Otherwise, again, I will help you. Whenever 45 is there, that is the easiest thing. 45 means you can say tan 45 equal to opposite by adjacent, right? Tan is, so here it is h by, you should use AB and all. Then we will get h equal to x. That is the first one. After that, in triangle BAD, what is happening? Which angle? Tan 30, tan 30 equal to h by, what is it? H by x plus 1. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So, where do kids make mistake? To make the calculation. So, x plus 1 is equal to h root 3. Now, x is equal to 1, right? So, you can say from equation 1, what happened? H plus 1 equal to h root 3, or you can say 1 is equal to h root 3 minus h is common, root 3 minus 1. Now what is h equal to? 1 by root 3 minus 1, which you will rationalize. You need to rationalize. So this will become root 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 is 2 equal to h. Again 1.732 plus 1 by 2 equal to h, which will make it 2.732 by 2 equal to h, where h is equal to 1.366. Right? Did you all get that? The next question, please do yourself. Okay. Now the next question. um, Let me put it in the group. Kavya, you got little bit. Nikki, Kavya. Yeah. Okay. Slowly you will get it. It is not very hard chapter. One of the easiest chapter and very easy to score marks also. Now this is the next question. This is a textbook question. Please write it down fast so that we can do it. If you wrote it, please let me know.
Nice to meet you. Amma, Samanda.
Go.
Hamanda. Hi.
440.
Huh? Do you see the
450.
4:30? Oh my. And will end by?
Recording.
What's it called? What?
Guys, have you completed writing? Can okay, if you all have completed writing, draw a diagram yourself and then cross verify with me.
അതെ ആ ജയിച്ചത് പിന്നെ എന്താണ് ഗോൾഡ് മെഡൽ പക്ഷെ ആയില്ല ഡിസംബർ അത് എപ്പോഴാണ് എനിക്കറിയില്ല എനിക്ക് മടിയാണ് എനിക്കറിയില്ല ഓലെയാണ് ഹായ് ഗൈസ് ഡു യു ഫിനിഷ്
Okay, let us draw it. Okay, now I'm going to read it and draw, and you cross verify if you did something like that. Question is, what's the question? The question is, a Person standing on the bank of a river. Okay, this is the person AB. He is standing here. Observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60. When he moves 40 meters away from the bank, he finds the angle of elevation to be 30. Oh, okay. Angle of elevation of the top of a tree standing on the opposite bank is 60. Okay, this is the tree. This guy is standing here. He is observing top of the tree. This is the tree, okay? AB is the tree. Person standing on the bank of a river observes that the angle of elevation of the top of the tree is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Then what he does? When he moves 40 meter away from the bank. So this is the bank actually. C is the bank. From here he moves 40 meters away and he reaches this point. Now when he looks at top of the tree, the elevation is 30 degree. Right? Is that correct? So actually this BC is your river. This is your river. So BC is river. Clear? Is it clear, kids? Anybody wants me to draw the diagram again? Better. You have to describe your image. Here you can describe all that. When person stands on bank C, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. After moving 40 meters away, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. You have to say this. Description is very important. Done, kids? Did you get the answer? Anybody has doubt? Please tell me. Twenty root 3. I think yes. Did everybody get it? Kids, so first what will you do? You don't know this one, you will say X, and this you can say as H. Up to you. Or else you can use the alphabets also. So I will start with first triangle. What are you? What is my first triangle? ABC. In triangle ABC, what's happening? Which tan? Which 60? Which ratio? Trigonometric ratio tan 60 equal to h by x. How much is tan 60? Root 3, right? So x is equal to h by root 3. Am I correct? This becomes my first landing point. Let it be there. Now, which triangle should I take? Please tell. Which is the next triangle I should take? Kids, please tell. Which is A, B, D. A, B, D. Here also I will take tan 30. Tan 30 equal to h by x plus 40. X plus 40. How much is tan 30? 1 by root 3. Correct? So you understand your table values of trigonometry are important for two chapters. Applications as well as your intro to Trigo. Now x I had said something. X is equal to h by root 3. So I can put it here. Plus 40 equal to h root 3. 40 is equal to h root 3 minus h by root 3. LCM, it becomes 3h minus h by root 3. Correct now? Right or wrong? So this 2 comes here, it becomes 20 root 3 equal to h. Now what do we have to find? We have to find the height of the tree and width of the river. So if h is 20 root 3, we know x is also 20 root 3, isn't it? So what is width of the river? X is 20 because x is equal to h by root 3. So it is by root 3, which makes it 20. Clear? Is it clear to everybody? See kids, one of the easiest chapter to score marks. Please don't take this chapter lightly. Practice well. In this chapter, it is very difficult to lose marks. Now, the next question, please put 2-3 stars. It's an aeroplane question. That question is very important. I'm going to share it. Please do it. Do it quickly. Write it down, okay? Done? Guys, Let me know if you are done. Are you done with this question? See, if you're not done, I will help you. But you have to tell me. What is the status? Why is everybody so quiet, guys? Please don't make me mad. Okay. If you're done, let me know, guys. Okay, now let me just draw the diagram. Okay, I'll just draw the diagram. You verify if it is looking correct or not. Where is my question? An aeroplane is at an altitude. So where is your aeroplane? This is my aeroplane. So you will say, let A be the aeroplane. Don't get confused, okay? Okay. An aeroplane is at an altitude of 1200 meters. That means it is at a height of 1200 meters. Finds that two ships are sailing towards it in the same direction. So this is ship number 1 and this is ship number 2. Is that correct? So BC is the distance between the ship and the perpendicular. Now what is it? The angle of depression. That means, depression means first there will be a line parallel to the ground, right? Then I'll make my eyelid go down little bit. What angle is this? Oh, this is 30 degrees. So wait. No, I'll have to go far then. This will be 30. This is 30, right? Far. So this also will become 30 degree. I will again bend my eyelid little bit more closer. So this will be 60 degree, right? So this is 30 and this is 60. So this is 60 degree. Now what? Find the distance between the two ships. You have to find CD. This is what you have to find. Okay. Do. Did you do it? Most of the places tan only is getting used now. You can start with in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what is it? Tan 60 equal to 1200 by y. Tan 60 is equal to how much? Root 3 equal to 1200 by y. So how much is y equal to? 1200 by root 3. Rationalize up and down. 1200 root 3 by 3. So how much is your y? Y is equal to 400 root 3. Again, this is one of the main points. We will stop there. Now we will go to the next triangle. Which is the next triangle? ABD. So we will write in triangle ABD, tan 60 equal to AB by BD. Tan 60 is how much? Did we do 60? We have to do 30 now. 30. So that is how much? 1 by root 3. AB is 1200. How much was BD? X plus Y, right guys? So x plus y is equal to, why I am doing it is to see if you are doing your calculations correct or not. Check it kids. Where if you are going wrong anywhere, please fix it. It's not that hard. Too many substitutions are there, I understand, but still it is not very hard. X is equal to 800 root 3. Root 3 is how much? 1.732. Substitute the value and figure it out. So this is your x equal to. So that is the distance, I think, right? X is the distance between the two ships. Did you all do it, kids? Everybody done? Can I move to the next? Again, aeroplane only. But let me see how you all do this question. These aeroplane questions should be practiced so well that none of you should make any mistakes in this, okay? They are super important questions, aeroplane questions. Yeah. Guys, have you all written it down? Is anybody remaining? You guys don't say anything. Yeah, please do this. Then one more is there. Then this also CBSE. Board paper questions we will definitely do. Speed up, okay? Write it fast and then do it fast. Speed up, kids. കണ്ടില്ല പക്ഷെ എന്താണെന്ന് പറയുന്നത് കേട്ടു. വളയനാടമ്പലം അത് മറ്റേ ഇത് തിരുമാതാകുഞ്ഞിന്റെ അമ്മേൻ്റെ അവരെ കോഴിക്കോട് സ്വാമിയെ വിളിക്കാൻ പോയതാട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ അവർ ആദ്യം പറഞ്ഞ ശരി വരാൻ നോക്കും. പക്ഷെ അവരോട് ഞാൻ വരാം, നീ തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കാൻ പാടില്ല. ദേവി തിരുമാതാകുഞ്ഞിന്റെ അമ്മ. അപ്പോൾ ബാക്കി ഇയാൾക്ക് കുറേ കഴിഞ്ഞപ്പോൾ ഡൗട്ടായി. അപ്പോൾ ഇയാൾ ചുമ്മാ തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കി. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ അമ്മ അവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അമ്മ നീ ഇങ്ങനെ തിരിഞ്ഞു നോക്കി, ഇന്ന് ഞാൻ വരില്ല. അപ്പോൾ ഇയാൾ കുറേ കാര്യം വിളിച്ച് കരഞ്ഞു. അപ്പോൾ അവർ പറഞ്ഞു ഞാനൊരു വളയാണ്, അത് എറിയുന്നത് എവിടെയാണോ എത്തുന്നത് അവിടെ നിന്നെ പ്രതിഷ്ഠിച്ചാൽ മതി, പക്ഷെ ഞാൻ വരില്ല എന്ന് മൂർത്തി നിൽക്കാതെ സ്ഥാപിക്കും. എന്നിട്ട് അത് തിരിച്ച് തിരുമാതാകുഞ്ഞിലേക്ക് പോയി. വളയാണ് വള. ഞാൻ എന്നിട്ട് വലിയ നാടൻ പെണ്ണ്. അതെന്താ guys, when you are done let me know. Speed up. Chalo. Now shall I draw? Are you done? Are you done, kids? An aeroplane. Okay. Let us try to do this. An aeroplane. Okay, is at an altitude of 200 meters. Okay. So where is my aeroplane? On top, right? So let me say A. Oh, what happened? Let me say A is aeroplane. Let A be the aeroplane. Correct? Then this is AB. At an altitude of 200, so this is at a height of 200 meters from the ground. Okay. Observes the angle of depression of opposite points on the two banks of a river. Oh, so this aeroplane is on top of the river. So this is one bank of the river and this is one bank. So this is C and this is D. Guys, this is important. So you have to understand two banks of the river. So you will have to write here C and D are the banks of the. You know what will happen? If you write all this, teacher will understand that you have read the question carefully and you know which is banks of a river. Because if you are not clear with that, if you have not read that clearly, your diagram will go for a toss. Opposite points on two banks of a river are 45 and 60. Find the width of the river. Oh, so one is 45 and one is 60. You have to find the width of the river. This is 45 and this is 60. Did anybody get the diagram correct? Yeah? Cool. Guys, done? Did you get the answer? And how much is it? First, anybody who's not solved, solve this one. This is easy. You can say tan 45 equal to AB by BC, correct? So tan 45 equal 45 is 1, AB is 200, BC is x. So x is equal to 200. Then one part is done. Then you will do another triangle in triangle ABD. Tan 60 equal to 200 by y. How much is tan 60? Root 3. Root 3y equal to 200. Y is equal to... I think you guys have done. Did you do this, kids? Hello, did you do this? Did you got the same answer that I'm getting? X plus y is 200 plus 200 root 3 by 3. You can take 200 common. 1 plus root 3 by 3, which is what? Am I sharing? Still sharing. Which is 200. 3 plus root 3 by 3. 3 root 3 is 1.732. So that will become 4.732 by 3. Correct? Two hundred into 1.577. So it is 14, 14 ka 1, 15, 15 ka 1, 11, 11 ka 1, 0, 0, 31.15.4 meters. Did you all get this much? I don't know. No one is asking me to scroll up or show the working or anything. So I hope you all are doing it, okay? I don't have much understanding what is happening. Generally, when you have not taken down, you do ask me to scroll up and all. This time, all that is not happening. Next question, please put 5 stars. Very important question. 5 stars, please. Most of the times, it is repeated in Cbse. Where did I send it? Yeah. This question is repeated n number of times. So please do it properly. Kids who did not get the diagrams correct, try to do it correct this time, because by now you would have understood how to do it. Read properly and do it. Each and every word in this question is important. On, at, off, everything. Please do it correctly. Little bit more. Okay. Did you write the question? Kids, have you written the question? Okay. What is happening? We have a road. This is our road, which is 100 meters wide. Now, two pillars of equal height and on either side of the road. So there is one pillar AB and one pillar CD. AB is one pillar and CD is another pillar. AB and CD are two pillars of height h. Let us write that because it's equal. And BC is the 100-meter wide road. After that, what are we reading? The angle of elevation of the top of the pillar are this and this at a point on the road between the pillars. That is, from a point on the road, you are looking on top of this pillar and this pillar, right? So this is 60 degree because it's a big angle and this is 30 degree, correct? Now the entire thing is 100. So this is x. So this is 100 minus x. Ippo kanu. Vadal close. Vadal close. Mudi vettu. Go from here, I'm recording. Do it, kids. If you want help, let me know. Chalo, kids, done? Did you do this question? Yeah. Did you find? Still doing? Anybody who found? Anybody wants to help me to do this question? See, we did lot of questions, but who has doubt or any clarification required? Try to do with me one question. You will understand it better. Anybody wants to do it with me? Akshit, should we do together? Huh? Akshit, shall we do together? Adi, should we do this together? Come on. Okay, let us do together. What is your first step? Okay, so which triangle will you take? Very good. A, B, E, yes. Okay, A, B by B, E. Hmm. Tan 60 is root 3 equal to AB by X. Okay. Hmm. Root 3x equal to AB. Actually, AB and BD are both, CD are both equal, na? So instead of AB, write H. That will make your life easier. So that is one point. Now we'll go to the next triangle. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. DE. Very good. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. Perfect. CD is H. Right? And how much is DE? Very good. Got it. You got it. So this is 100 minus x by root 3 equal to h. But here we got h is equal to root 3x. So what we can say from 1. Wait ma. Is equal to root 3x. Can we say that? Instead of h, I am replacing it with a value. Why? In an expression, if in an equation, if only one unknown variable is there, you can find the value. So this is 100 minus x equal to 3 root x, 3x. So it is 4x. X is equal to 25. So if x is 25, how much is h? We are finding h. H is root 3 into 25. Isn't it? Exactly. So that is 25 into 1.732 to do it and find the value. Yeah. Can I? And
പിന്നെ ഒരു കാര്യം മനസ്സിലാക്കണം കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഈ സമയം ഇനി കിട്ടില്ല.
okay. This much? നിനക്ക് ഇപ്പഴാ പാകായത്, നീക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും പാകമല്ല. Done, kids? Shall I give you next question? Let us finish off the next one, two pillars. Yeah. Again, this is a Cbse question. Please try to do this. Speed up, okay? Draw the diagram clearly and the rest we will do. Diagram is most important part of the question. Kids, written and done? Yes? Perfect. Anybody who needs help? Okay. Word by word, just look at the diagram. An observer from the top of a lighthouse. So this is the lighthouse. On the top there is the observer. The observer is here. 100 meter above the sea level. 100 meter above the sea level. That means this is 100 meters. The angle of depression. Depression means first you will draw a dotted line which is parallel to the ground. Now what happened? For ship sailing directly towards it changes from, so the ship is here, then the ship moves to this place. So it is going towards it, isn't it? So first what happened? Draw this and draw this. So from here it moves to here. So here how much is it? 30 degree. So this becomes 30 and this becomes 45 degree. Determine the distance traveled by the ship during the period of observation. That means from here to here, how much is the distance traveled? This position A, B, C and D. You have to find CD. During the observation, how much distance it traveled. That's it. See, word by word you read, you will not make a mistake. Please read it like that. Done? Or should I solve it? See, this though I think you all would have solved in this diagram. It is 45. So automatically this one becomes 100. Now this is your x. So tan 30 equal to 100 by x plus 100. So that is 1 by root 3 equal to 100 by 100 plus x. Correct? So this is 100 plus x equal to 100 root 3. So x is equal to 100 root 3 minus 100. That means you will take 100 common. I have not done the entire question because I did many. So that's enough. X is equal to 100, 1.7, 1.732 minus 1. So that becomes 100 into 0.732. So that becomes 73.2. That's it. That is the answer. Is it clear to everybody? We do one last. No, we are almost done. We'll continue tomorrow. It's a request, kids. Please practice well. Please practice well. And kids who have not seen the part 1, please do see it. I know by now you would have cleared your doubts, but still watch it because there are certain MCQ kind of important information given. Do watch it. And yeah, so we will try to finish the chapter tomorrow. I'm not very sure, but Sunday also you might have a class because I need to start surface area volume. I think NMS has that chapter for half yearly. Once I close it only, I can start revision for everybody. Okay, so we'll see tomorrow then. Bye bye. Saturdays, what time was your class? Yeah, 7:30. Okay, fine. Bye bye.